Rosy The Horned Frog. She hearing the constructed side vehicle here, and recently I've tried to help his uncle that cutting out the plant trees in the wood, chopping up the shredder, and Rosy hearing it from the constructed vehicle, and she maybe had to hear it from an outside, and it's a possibility that, and we're gonna have to see this her eyes there with some horn, and she was hearing that on the right side that the hearing the constructed vehicle. Well, try to speed the feeding the pieces of fish to the horned frogs. In the morning with Rosy, we're gonna overlook the frogs. That's rather gay there.